Good morning, seventh grade. We're going to go over the endocrine system a little bit more today and take some notes. So I thought I'd go over some of the slides on it right now. So go ahead and get out your notes if you would like, or just listen to this video and then come back to it. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen right now. Okay, so again, the endocrine system. We're going to be focusing on what the main functions of it are and what are the main organs associated with the system today. So basically, the endocrine system is our hormone system, right? It's a collection of glands that produce and secrete hormones. The function of them is to maintain a good chemical level in the body through the negative feedback, right? Or any feedback, so that the body knows what to do next. So it helps regulate our mood, regulates our sleep, our growth, our development, our metabolism, our sexual function, and reproduction processes, okay? So all the glands that are involved though, okay, so we're going to talk about those first. So a gland, again, is a group of cells that test out the bloodstream to see if there is a chemical imbalance, all right? So they produce and release hormones based on that test, right? So then they send those hormones into the bloodstream to tell target cells to balance the chemicals. They have a specific place to go to. Now, the exocrine glands deduct and release products into ducts, okay? And then endocrine glands are the ones that are ductless and secrete products directly to the bloodstream. Bloodstream, okay? So exocrine glands are more like sweat, tears, and digestive juices, and endocrines are all the hormones. All right, now we keep talking about this word hormones. What are they? Okay, well, they are chemical messengers that communicate information from one set of cells to another, right? So there are many different types of them, and each one is designed to affect only certain areas of the body, so only certain cells. Now, again, a cell, smallest structural unit of an organism, and it's enclosed in the membrane. We all remember this, right? But it's very, very tiny. We have tons of them in our body, millions. So target cells, I talked about them a little bit ago. Let's talk about them a tiny bit more. So they're the cells in our body that contain receptors that match certain hormones. Okay, so there's a cell, the target cell specifically goes out to that certain hormone. Okay, the hormone matches it with the target cell and binds together like a key. Okay, so it knows what to do. And again, negative feedback. I talked to you guys about it a little bit, kind of like a thermostat at our home. Right now, it's super hot out. And so if you have your thermostat set at 72, let's say, it's going to be on pretty constantly at this time because it's going to continue to send feedback. It's still warm in here. It's still warm outside, so it's keeping it warm in here. So it's probably continuously cycling. Whereas endocrine system does the same, okay? So one, there might be an imbalance. So those endocrine cells send out those hormones to connect to they send out the target cells, right? They release the hormones to go connect, and then they correct the whatever feedback, whatever chemical change needs to occur, they correct it, and then maybe they find something else when they're out there, right? And so then that negative feedback gets sent back up, and homeostasis occurs, right? So that means it's going to do it all again. It's going to rebalance everything. That's what homeostasis is, the balancing. Oh, hey, homeostasis. That's right. It keeps everything stable. There's a balance of internal conditions in our body. So it uses negative and positive feedback mechanisms to know what to do next to our bodies. Okay, so now that's a lot of what you guys are going over today. So how are the hormones produced? Explain how they move through the body and how they regulate homeostasis in the body, and make a list of steps in the process of hormones producing homeostasis in the body. Okay, so kind of just go over what I just did. Tell me what that cycle is, okay? Now, the rest of the PowerPoint is basically stuff I went over in our live lesson the other day. So if you have any questions, that's totally fine. Go ahead and email me, and I'm always open for a live Zoom as well. Okay? So that's that for today. I hope you guys have a lovely Tuesday and that you had a good weekend. Talk to you soon. Bye.